Are you ready to take your artificial intelligence automation game to the next level? In today's video, we'll uncover 6 incredible AI tools that go beyond Chat GPT. And trust me, you won't want to miss a single one. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to our channel, and stay tuned until the end for a special opportunity to revolutionize your business with ADISENSE AI automation. Welcome back, fellow AI enthusiasts. It's time to explore these game-changing AI tools that are transforming businesses in all industries. Are you ready? Let's get started. Say goodbye to writer's block and laborious content creation. Coppermatic is an AI tool that generates compelling and persuasive written content effortlessly. From marketing copy to social media posts, this tool delivers engaging content that captures your brand's voice with remarkable accuracy. To start using Coppermatic, all you have to do is to click the link in the description or comments to go to their website, where you can start a free trial. Then click on the free trial button to create an account. Once your account has been created, all you have to do is to pick the task you want Coppermatic to perform, fill in a few prompts and watch Coppermatic do its thing. As an example for this video, I'll be using Coppermatic to create a Google ad headline. After clicking the task you want Coppermatic to perform, the prompt will appear. All you have to do now is to fill in the blank spots with your preferences and the artificial intelligence will do its thing. As you can see, with just a few clicks, we've been able to generate amazing Google Ads headline copy from scratch without the help of a professional, expertise, or experience. And the best part is, Coppermatic can do much more than Google Ads headline. Coppermatic can generate social media ads, newsletters, copywriting material for your business website, landing page, blogs, articles, and much more. Isn't this insane? Artificial intelligence is really revolutionizing the way we do business. AI is really the future. That's why we created this channel, to teach and help people and businesses learn how to use AI. So make sure you subscribe for more AI updates. Now, let's talk about the second AI tool, Flicky. Flicky is an innovative tool that revolutionizes your video editing process. With its powerful AI algorithms, Flicky AI automates video editing tasks like trimming, captioning, and transitions. With Flicky, you can save time and create professional-looking videos effortlessly. To use Flicky, all you have to do is to go to their website through the link in the description or comments. Then sign up for an account. Once your account has been created, all you have to do is to click on New File and type the name of the content you want to create. For a quick tutorial, let's create a video titled 5 Ways to Self-Improve in 2023. Once you're done typing the title, the video editing interface will appear. As you can see, the video editing interface is different from most typical video editing softwares. Flicky is very user-friendly. There are multiple features you can choose tailored to your preference, from language to dialect, gender, and voice style. You can pick whichever one suits you best. Once you're done selecting your preferences, it's time to create the video. To create the video, all you have to do is fill in the text box with your video script, add new sections to make the video longer, and select images and videos from the stock image collection for the visual of the content you're creating. And just like that, within minutes, you're done editing your video. Let's move on to the next AI tool, Speak. Imagine converting your written content into lifelike human speech in an instant. That's where Speak AI comes in. This incredible tool utilizes text-to-speech technology to transform any text into a convincing audio narration. Whether you need to create engaging voiceovers for your videos, develop interactive voice-based applications, or enhance the accessibility of your content, Speak AI has got you covered. Speak AI can be used in various industries like e-learning, podcasting, audiobook production, and voice-based customer service. With its extensive range of voices and languages, Speak AI offers incredible flexibility and customization. You can choose from a diverse selection of voices, from professional narrators to unique character voices, to match the tone and style of your content. And thanks to its advanced natural language processing capabilities, Speak AI delivers lifelike intonations and expressive speech, making your audio content sound truly human. So, whether you're a content creator, a business owner, or an innovator seeking to incorporate voice technology into your products, Speak AI is the ultimate tool to help you unleash the power of audio automation. And last, but certainly not the least, Adobe Podcast. With Adobe Podcast, ad creators, Podcasters and content creators can upload their recordings and utilize the advanced AI algorithms to enhance the speech clarity, reduce background noise, and optimize the overall audio quality. This means that you can achieve professional-sounding audio for your content and podcasts without having to invest hundreds of dollars into expensive recording equipment. Imagine the convenience and cost savings that come with Adobe Podcast. You can focus on creating compelling content while the tool takes care of the technical aspects, ensuring that your listeners have a seamless and enjoyable experience. To use Adobe Podcast, all you have to do is to go to podcast.adobe.com, select the tool you want to use, upload the audio you want to enhance, and within a few minutes, your audio will be fully enhanced and ready for download. In this video, we've covered an impressive lineup of AI tools that surpass Chat GPT, each with its unique strengths and applications. But now, it's time to take action and harness the power of ADISENSE automation. ADISENSE is an AI automation agency focused on helping businesses in all industries automate their business operations with AI tech and tools. So are you ready to take the next step in revolutionizing your business with AI automation? Book a call with our AI specialists and explore the endless possibilities of AI automation across all industries. Click the first link in the video description or check the comments section below. As we wrap up this video, I want to hear from you. Which AI tool are you most excited to try? Are there any other AI tools you've discovered that you think are even better? Share your thoughts and experiences in the comments below. And remember to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that notification bell to stay updated. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.